Today we start a new adventure. After so many RC cars, it's time to take a pause and do something different, to relax, to... What am I speaking about? This is something that comes from my youth, when I was very young, and this is balsa, paper, and they fly. And this factory is a must. Guillow means poetry in model making. And today we do this plane. I want you to pay attention to the box art. You see that this picture is handmade, and this comes from the 60s, the 70s, when all these paintings were made by hand, by men. So you can feel it's something human, it's something nice, like Walt Disney pictures. And let's start the adventure. Open the box and then prepare to the work. Comment, like and subscribe. Subscribe, please. It's not very difficult, but it's very important, as the more we are, the better the channel can be. Okay? Thank you. Okay. As I am a little bit maniac, I don't want to lose this protection, so we cut along this way, and this. Okay. And what's inside? Here we have a lot of things. Numbers for the wings, the cockpit, the name of the plane, the Guillows. Wonderful. And this is one. Instructions. These are general instructions on how to assemble all the parts. Building, tail surface, and this is the frame of the plane. These are directly from the 60s. And these are the drawings on which we will build the plane. They are 1:1 scale, and this is the size of the plane. It's quite big. This is in perfect 60s style. It's wonderful. Here there's the pilot, and I have seen on another guy that makes very nice rubber planes, Max Fliert, and he used to cut a picture and put it into the cabin, and I would like to have a picture of myself at the drive. And on this we will build the plane. One page, second page, and you will see my technique, my own personal technique. I repeat, I'm not a professional builder. I do this 100% for amusement. Then we have paper, and under the paper, other Guillow's important notice. Contents, eliminated contents, safe dope alternative tissue covering. Okay, Interesting. And now the hardware. In this, oh wow, this is for Windows. And here we have wheels, propeller, and the propeller shaft with the hook for the elastic band. This is not a very good propeller for this kind of plane. They have to be bigger, but they work. We have the motor canopy, the front canopy, vacuum formed, to be cutted and painted perhaps. Rubber band. This is a absolutely not professional rubber band because it's too thick, too big and too short. With this rubber band you can at least make very little flight if you build the plane very well. You need much longer rubber band and professional rubber band, and make 1000, 2000 turns. Here you don't do that. Better than a kick in the ass. And now the wood. This is balsa wood, laser cutted, and I appreciate this so much. There are all these signs. It's not, you have to snap the parts using a very sharp blade. They are very precise. Attention when the balsa has this texture. It's not so good. This is better. Okay, and here we have all the pieces. These are the for the wings, the main frame for the wings, and this is what you need to do all the connection between the flat parts to build wings and the fuselage. Other big balsa, and 1 and 2 iron. Maybe for landing gear, for wing mounting, we will discover this. So this is all what you find inside the box, and all what they give you for your enjoyment. Subscribed. Okay. Before starting the work, I would like to paint the paper in order to obtain this color. And now I'll show you how. Done, painted. Mixing the two colors, I have obtained this. This is plastic in order not to paint the wood. And the result, I've made this little piece. The result could be this one. Now it's still wet, so, but the color is quite good, quite similar. Now I have to take this away from the plastic and let it dry. But this could be the color. Now you see all these parts like this, but it becomes quite good, quite uniform. The paper is dry, is painted, the color is quite similar, perhaps, yes, but you have to see it with a white surface under, a little bit too yellow, but I think that once you put on the plane, it's okay. So we have the paper, the colored paper, and now we have to start the building. And we have to prepare the table for the building of the frame. Ready to start. I have a wooden support. I have mounted the drawing with 4 pins. Then I've chosen one piece between all the parts, laser cutted, super glue, and a lot of pins. New blade for the cutter, and now we do this. I show you one and a slideshow for all the others. This is very fun. With the blade you have to cut all these little pieces they left uncutted in order to keep the piece on the frame together with the wood. I used to work on the drawing, so at the end the drawing will be quite destroyed. Of course, you can save the drawing, put in over covering with plastic. You can cut on another piece of wood. I don't mind. It's nice to see the work, the effect of the nanny's work. Okay, you have to make this work very carefully.
Okay.
This I haven't done. This I haven't done. And here we have one piece. Then you put the base, this piece, on the drawing as perfect you can, like this. You hold and the first pin. One. With 2 pins is sufficient. And 2. Then you have to cut from this, where is it? Well, we use this one, that is. Done. And now be careful, just a little drop, just a very little drop. I use this, you can use other kind of glues, and this it works very well. Tuck, just a little, just a little. Okay, this is just to stop the piece in place. Then when you take this out, you finish gluing on the other part. Be careful, this makes exhalation of dioxin, so don't breathe, stay a little bit away from this, could be dangerous if you don't like dioxin. Okay, and this is the first one. Now I continue enjoying this way of building. finish the first part of the fuselage. When you use this part, try not to use it too much. Be careful, because there are not so many. You can drop them very easily, and you need to finish this and the wings. So use them carefully. Well, I mean, don't waste them. Okay, and with the cutter is easier. Even this little piece, I take it. Okay, and for today the work is done. We have this and these pieces. Well, perhaps here, okay. And we have made the frame. Now the work on this part is not finished, because with sand we have to smooth this part, to thin this one, to go around and make as better as we can to prepare. If you prepare well these edges, the paper will cover better, but the plane is almost here. And for today, this is all. Thank you very much for watching. Up to the next episode. I will finish this part as I told you, and then I will do the wings. Then we have all the parts and we can assemble the plane. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching once again. Thank you very much for subscribing once again, and up to the next. Bye bye to you all.